All right, so let me show you how to pair and connect a DJI Mic Mini 2 to your Windows PC. Now, this is very simple. All you have to do is go to the Bluetooth settings of your Windows computer. So you want to go to Start button, click on Settings, and then go to Bluetooth and Devices, and then click on Add Device, and then click on Bluetooth. Now, as that's scanning for devices, you need to put your microphone in pairing mode. Now, if it's not in pairing mode, then you simply press and hold this button. And when it starts blinking blue and green like this, then it means it's in pairing mode. So now, next thing you want to do is simply find it and then click on it to connect. And once it's connected, it will tell you connected as a microphone. You don't have to connect the other one. So once it's connected, now it says it's disconnected. So let's try and connect again. There you go. So now it's connected. And then now when you go to the sound input devices, let's go to sound settings, and let's go to more volume settings. Now here, go to the input section, and then you should see the DJI Mic Mini 2. Select it now to start using it as your microphone. It's really that simple. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, feel free to talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.